Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Hagerly. In today's video, we'll be learning about how to say our external body parts in Amharic. Here, you'll learn how to differentiate your left arm from your right arm, your head from your leg, your fingers from your toes, and your nose from your mouth. It's gonna be exciting, so stay tuned. Let's start off from the body parts from the neck up. Head,
راس
hair,
ፀጉር
forehead,
ግንባር
eye,
ዓይን
eyebrow,
ቅንድብ
eyelash,
ሽፋሽፍት
nose,
አፍንጫ
cheek,
ጉንጭ
ear,
ጆሮ
mouth,
አፍ
lip,
ከንፈር
chin.
አገጭ
Now, let's look at the body parts from the neck to the waist. Neck,
አንገት
shoulder,
ትከሻ
chest,
ደረት
arm,
ክንድ
elbow,
ክርን
hand,
እጅ
fingers,
ጣት
nail,
ጥፍር
stomach,
ሆድ
back,
ጀርባ
Now, let's look at the body parts from the waist down. Waist,
ወገብ
thigh,
ጭን
knee,
ጉልበት
leg,
እግር
foot,
እግር
toes,
የእግር ጣት ሰላም አይዛክ ዛሬ እግር ኳስ ተጫውተ ነበር?
አዎ ተጫውቼ ነበር።
አሪፍ። ስንት ጎል አገባ?
3 ጎል አግብቼ ነበር።
ጎበዝ። እንዴት አገባ?
2 በእግሬ፣ 1 ደግሞ በራሴ አግብቼ ነበር። How do we say cheek in Amharic?
ጉንጭ።
How do we say nose in Amharic?
አፍንጫ።
How do we say arm in Amharic?
ክንድ።
How do we say finger in Amharic?
ጣት።
How do we say leg in Amharic?
እግር።
In the northern parts of Ethiopia, specifically the Gojam and the Tigray ethnic groups, the women get tattoos on their chin or agach and their neck or angat. It's mind-blowing to me. I don't know about you. And they consider this a sign of beauty and attractiveness. While tribes found around the Omo Valley region, tribes like Mursi put plates on their lower lip or kanfar, and it's considered a sign of attractiveness and their readiness for marriage. Great job, you guys. In today's video, we managed to cover how to talk about our external body parts in Amharic. Don't forget that every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.